with over 35 years of experience. At GPA Tooling, we transform ideas into real components that make a difference. Whether it's a single piece or full production runs, our team designs, develops, and refines advanced solutions through reverse engineering and high-performance manufacturing. We stand out for integrating cutting-edge technology that ensures quality and precision in every component we produce. We offer production processes ranging from short runs to high-volume manufacturing, covering high-impact dimensions while meeting the strictest standards under our ISO 9001:2015 certification. From Guanajuato to Mexico and the world, our mission remains steadfast: to elevate industry with advanced precision and deliver uncompromising quality in every project.